dinner.
Yeah, I still have to upload the beds today.
And I got Saint Bernay with me. Say hello. Hi, Peter.
Oh, wow.
Happy.
Subscribe to Blue Kangaroo.
I'm the burping person.
Subscribe to Blue Kangaroo and Stranger Things.
No, that's not my name.
And Abby
Subscribe
Rose.
to Dash Abby Rose Dash. Don't forget the dashes. I'll be in her subscribers, and she subscribes to me, so. It'll also be in Blue Kangaroos, because my thing, if you search it up, it won't come out.
Super big.
Because
If you search mine up, it'll come up.
yeah, if you search Blue Kangaroo, it will come up. Look at her and look at her subscribers, and go to Abby Rose. It has a Stranger Things picture, so yeah.
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 There's Raya. I'm not going to show you her. I'll show you her.
Magic Krabby Patties? Oh, I think I'm smelling blood.
Gary, I brought you a delicious treat. There you are, Care Bear. I brought you some kelp. I was going to bring you a Krabby Patty, but we ran out. I'll go and get your bag ready when you enjoy them. Gary, our bath is ready.
Look at all the suds in that bathtub.
Gary,